Habibi, welcome to the river of Barak. Just look at the river over here and just look at over there. The blue, the sky, everything is so incredible and perfect. Today is swimming happening, okay? And let's go for swimming. Baba.